Hey, this is Laura from WTI. Let's check out this incredible watercolor brush paint set from IGN Art. I'm truly amazed with what you get in this set. You get 65 watercolor brushes and a pad. The brushes, you can tell, are really high quality. I like that you can see the name and number on the side, and also they have the number on the top. I love that they come with a little storage stand so that you can keep your pens nice and organized. I love that feature. The watercolor pad is really high quality. I like that the paper is nice and thick and that it didn't bleed through. I also like that it comes with a couple of coloring pages as well. Something that I also like is that you can use these pens in a couple different ways. You can either just put the water and spread it out, and I also like that these colors are buildable, which is great. This is an incredible set to have for any artist. I know that you'll love it like I do, and that's my point of view.